Imagine having access to one of the most powerful technologies ever created, but only using a tiny fraction of what it can do. That is exactly what millions of people are doing with artificial intelligence. They open ChatGPT, ask a simple question, get a simple answer, and move on. They think AI is just a faster version of Google. But that mindset is the biggest mistake. AI is not just a search engine. It is not just a chatbot. It is a powerful assistant that can help you think, create, learn, and solve problems faster than ever before. The problem is not that people don't have access to AI. The problem is that most people don't know how to use it correctly. And today we are going to change that. The first mistake most people make is asking AI weak questions. Many users type something like, "Give me business ideas," or "Help me learn a skill." The problem is that these requests are too general. AI does not know your goals, your experience level, or the result you want. The quality of your answer depends on the quality of your instructions. For example, instead of saying, "Help me learn programming," a smarter approach would be, "Act as an experienced software engineer. Create a 30-day learning plan for a beginner. Explain each topic simply, give me daily exercises, and test my understanding." Notice the difference. You are not just asking a question. You are giving AI a role, a goal, and a clear direction. This is called better prompting, and it is one of the most important skills in the AI era. The second mistake people make is using AI only for information. Yes, AI can answer questions, but that is only the beginning. You can use AI as a personal teacher, a writing assistant, a research partner, a career advisor, and even a problem-solving companion. Imagine you are preparing for an important interview. Instead of searching hundreds of websites, you can ask AI to act as an interviewer, create realistic questions, analyze your answers, and give you feedback. Or imagine you want to start learning a new language. AI can create personalized lessons, correct your mistakes, explain difficult concepts, and practice conversations with you anytime. The difference between average users and advanced users is not access to AI, it is creativity. The third mistake is expecting AI to be perfect immediately. Some people try AI once, get an average answer, and decide it is not useful. But AI works best through conversation. The first answer is usually a starting point, not the final result. You can improve the response by saying, "Make it simpler. Give me more examples. Explain it like I am a beginner. Improve this and make it more professional." Think of AI like working with a very intelligent assistant. The more clearly you communicate, the better the results become. Another major mistake is ignoring AI because you think it is only for experts. That is completely wrong. AI is becoming a basic skill, just like using the internet or smartphones. Students can use AI to learn faster. Professionals can use AI to save time. Entrepreneurs can use AI to generate ideas and improve decisions. Creative people can use AI to turn imagination into reality. The people who benefit the most from AI will not necessarily be the people who are the smartest. They will be the people who learn how to work with it. But remember, AI is not here to replace human creativity. The real advantage comes from combining human thinking with artificial intelligence. AI can generate ideas, but humans provide vision. AI can analyze information, but humans make decisions. AI can automate tasks, but humans create purpose. The future belongs to people who know how to use AI as a tool to increase their abilities. So if you are still using AI like a simple search box, you are missing the biggest opportunity of this generation. Start giving better instructions. Start experimenting. Start learning how AI can improve your work, your education, and your daily life. Because the question is no longer whether AI will change the world. It already is. The real question is, will you learn how to use it before everyone else does? If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Future Decoded for more videos about AI, technology, and the future that is coming faster than we expect.